Welcome to Ngo Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button right now and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngo Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how's it?
Long Dilang, you must introduce me properly. Ngobo.
Long Dilang.
Long Dilang, hashtag is strong. Tuliga matepe, mshima no mute lobo lotanga hotla.
Mute spamsenyo. Tula magazine kwa safa indla.
Long weekend.
I'm not gonna be biased.
Yeah.
Ne? The undisputed PSL champions and PSL kings.
Yes.
The current PSL champions.
Yeah.
And then champions in waiting. It needs to be confirmed on the last day maybe.
Yeah.
Or before the last day. Pirates played in the first half.
Beautiful.
Yeah, 2 quick goals from our mistakes. We take that as Mamelodi Sundowns way. We're not gonna learn from that. We take that and we go home. Second half we came back.
Yeah.
It's just that they closed, but we got the goal. That advantage played wonders. I thought the referee gonna blow the whistle there. I think our coach is very good. Technically so, he's very good. You know, you can't fault. You know, I'm gonna tell you this, Ngobo. They can celebrate the win. It's theirs. After 8 years in the league, at last they've beaten Mamelodi Sundowns in the league. In the league. After 8 years in the league.
Especially in Gauteng.
Especially in Gauteng. And after 8 years in the league, they scored 5 goals against Mamelodi Sundowns. After 8 years in the league, they've got 1 win against Mamelodi Sundowns. We've got 8. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, in the last 10 games, I'm not talking about the last 10 years. Listen, I'm gonna show you this.
Yeah.
What's the phone? Wait, I'm gonna show you this, Ngobo.
Yeah.
We are going here, Ngobo. Pirates vs Sundowns.
Yeah.
I'll say to you, congrats to Pirates.
Yeah.
They won. Last 10 premiership fixtures head to head. Pirates 0 wins.
Yeah.
Before today's game. Sundowns 8 wins.
8, yeah.
Only 2 draws. Sundowns scored 19 goals. Pirates scored 3. Sundowns gained Sundowns gained 26 points. Sundowns gained 26 points.
Yeah.
Pirates gained 2 points. The biggest win. Pirates not available. Sundowns 4-1.
Beautiful. No, the stats talk for themselves, right?
The stats talk for themselves. You see,
Yeah.
you see. I'm saying again, it's the first win after 10 premiership games against Orlando Pirates. I said first win for Pirates after 10 premiership games.
In fact, it's 11.
Yes,
11 games.
it's a 3 points gained plus 2 is 5 points in the last 10 games. Sundowns gained 26 points.
Yeah.
So the difference, you can count it. The biggest win Pirates has in the last is only 2-1 today. So we're not gonna dwell too much on that.
Yeah.
We're not gonna dwell too much. We scored 20 goals.
Yeah.
They scored 5 goals in the last 10 games.
Yeah.
So you know what? A head-to-head talks wonders.
Yeah.
As much as they play us in the cup, they read the history of the cup. They say we beat in the MTN 8 Nedbank Cup. You know, we are not sour losers. We take the lose over our shoulders and we move.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say to them again. Our coach said it. Under abnormal circumstances, we are still gonna be champions.
Yes, no.
Under normal circumstances, Mamelodi Sundowns is still gonna be champions.
Long weekend.
If you argue, Ngobo, if you argue with yourself. You are not arguing with Mamelodi Sundowns supporters.
Yeah.
You know, Mamelodi Sundowns supporters are very peaceful.
Yeah.
Even today you saw, the away team when we play Chiefs, we see it at the side where the sun comes. The home team sees where the players come in. So they came with their tactics, Orlando Pirates. They want to fight us. This is not Moses Mabhida. They even rented the place. Orlando is not well for them. They know we beat them very well in Orlando.
Yeah.
They know very well. No. So I'm saying to you, I'm saying to Dwaha, there he is.
Yeah.
Congrats to them. That one is a small Pirates supporter. I'm talking to Dwaha. That's a small one. I'm talking to Dwaha. Dwaha knows the stats. He goes to fan base, he knows the stats.
Yeah.
Last 10 games, he knows it. And Dwaha said, what he once said, Sundowns, yes, Sokolisa. He said it after 4-1. He said Sundowns just Sokolisa. After 8 years, we are not beating them. Today, Dwaha is happy.
Yeah.
Because me and Dwaha, we go places. We are not number 1 supporters.
Yeah.
We are the best supporters. And we follow football. You understand? Congrats to Pirates. For them, Dwaha, congrats, my brother. This is to confirm that Orlando Pirates is cementing the second position from Stellenbosch, Polokwane City, Kaizer Chiefs and the others, and Magezi and Royal AM. Orlando Pirates, I'm saying again, guys. Orlando Pirates, I'm saying now, Orlando Pirates is cementing their second position in the league.
Not a champion. Hola. For sure.